Okay, so we're gonna do a little tour of one of our barns. This would be Crazy Mohawk cow. I thought she was kind of funny, but anyway, we're gonna see if we can get her to go up into her pen. She just got done milking. An important thing we teach on our farm is we never, you can see our cows are pretty tame. She's a little crazy, but we never push the cows. Cows have an automatic flight zone, so you get within a certain distance of them. We don't allow poking, hitting, whistling, yelling at the cows, anything like that. But as you can see, a lot of people say that confinement barns are bad, confinement factory farms, whatever you want to call them. This is the home of cows. There are, I think, even a few extra freestalls in here to ensure that every cow has a spot to lay down. As you can see, they get very fresh bedding. We have cows down here, cow all the way down there. She's eaten already. She's got her head through the headlocks, and it's not actually locking her unless we need to check her out. This girl, I mean, these cows literally just came up here. She's already laying down, but now I'm making her nervous. But as you can see, they have plenty of room to lay down in these stalls. These stalls keep these cows clean. This sand is, we rake out all the manure 3 times a day. As you can see, we scrape all these alleys 3 times a day, every time these cows go get milked. And it's really important for us to keep clean, healthy animals. July in South Dakota is usually pretty hot, so this barn, actually, we are planning on adding some fans. Our other one has about twice as many, but you can see there's fans. This is completely open, so they have plenty of air. It's rather windy in here, it feels really nice. And up here, these are actually sprinklers. Now, this has been a really rare July, so pretty cool. It's like 74 today. But you can see these little nozzles right here, if you can see that. That's a sprinkler. So when it gets 100 degrees, not only do we have fans on these cows and they're laying in cool, clean sand, they are getting a nice sprinkler shower when they're up eating. All the cow does is stick her head through here. You can see down here we got feed for them. So we got a couple down there eating. I believe my dad feeds, and I think he tries to get 4 or 5 fresh loads a day. So the cows are always eating fresh feed. We clean them out every day. But these are happy cows, you know. They're definitely happy, enjoying life. You can tell that. See, they're chewing their cud over there. That means they're happy. They like where they're at. These cows are going to go lay down and they're going to eat some food. So they're not overly fond of me being in here if they're not leaving. But they'll enjoy it. I think we'll see in like 5 minutes where they are. And here's another example. You know, if these cows were outside, as you can see, these cows want to come up. They want to go back in their pen. They don't want to stand outside because it's hot in the sun. And here they have plenty of ample fresh water, nice places to lay, and a lot of good food. So it's really important, and we feel like we take a lot better care of these cows, and we can, I think I have 90 cows in this pen, and I can see all 90 cows as often as I like to and monitor them and make sure they're all healthy and doing well. It's just a really important part of dairying. And when a cow is outside, we got a lot of rain last night, it's pretty muddy. These cows would not be that clean. That cow, look at her udder. She's a clean cow. And look at these girls, they're all going to go lay down. They're happy, they're chewing their cud. That's a good life, you know. There's no flies around, we have constant fly control. As you can see, there's no flies this year. So it's really important to us to take really good care of these animals, and I mean, it's a lot better for them than being outside in 100 degrees and mud, you know. So just wanted to share that.